Hi everyone, I'm Lian Duan. Today we are going to Helm 3 Chart Troubleshooting Part 2. In Helm 3 Chart Troubleshooting Part 1, we completed topics are Overview 3 tiers application changing, chart files change steps, a simulated chart issue. In this video, I will focus on demo, how to do troubleshooting. Let me run live demo. How to do chart troubleshooting. We make this a bigger screen. After chart install, let me run smoke testing. Open the React UI as we did before. Refresh. The issue, unable to connect. Next step, check Kubernetes service status. Run Helm test command to check Kubernetes service status. Helm test. Chart name is my app. Also, we need to add namespace. Namespace is QA-env to test chart status. All three charts passed the test. I have to make a decision. If the chart from trusted resource and the testing YAML file covered all scenarios, I can figure out that is Ingress issue. If not, I need to run more steps. In my demo, I'll run more analysis. Let me check etc host file. There is a mapping information, Minikube IP and domain name. If you want to get more detail about why we need the IP and the domain name mapping, please click About link. Let me verify the Minikube IP is correct. IP is 192.168.49 and 2. Address is correct. Let me pin this to domain name to make sure it's working fine. No problem. And check other api.helm3training.com used to backend Spring Boot API. Let me pin it. No problem. Next step is open the Kubernetes dashboard to check out Kubernetes resource. If the dashboard is not available in your production environment, so you can use the command to check. For me, we just quickly use the dashboard to check. Open the command window, then run command Minikube dashboard. Select QA-env namespace to check all the resources. Go to pod resource first. Helm test command creates 3 pods for test purpose. Redis, Spring Boot, React, 3 pods is running, no problem. Go to the Spring Boot pod to check Spring Boot app log. My Spring Boot app started successfully. There is other important area, events. If the image and the tag incorrect, pooling event will show failure. All the events looks good in Spring Boot pod. And then let me check the React pod. There's no any issue in the events part. Let me check the log. Web container is running. Next, check Replica resource, no issue. And then verify services. A check sequence is from bottom to top. Bottom to top means from backend to frontend. So go to the Redis service. There are 2 pods, one for connection testing, other is Redis service pod. Event no issue. and then go to the Spring Boot layer. No issue. If the pod label and the service select label are not matched, pod's area will be empty. And then check Redis. No issue. Next, check Ingress part. There are two Ingress resources. One is for Spring Boot API, other for React frontend. Open Spring Boot API resources first, and then click pencil icon to get resource detail. Resource file looks good, and then check frontend Ingress file. The service port incorrect, should be 4.8. Let me try to fix it. Run command helm uninstall plus chart name and namespace. Uninstall complete. Next, go to the frontend React Ingress file to change the port. Install fixed Helm chart. This is the correct port number, 4.8. Run Helm test command to make sure we don't break any existing working part. All the service looks good. And then open the browser, try to access React UI. It still has an issue. This should be Ingress environment issue. Just in case, if there is no Helm test chart, how do we handle it? The answer is create a temporary Busybox pod inside the same namespace to test the service. Let me create a temporary Busybox inside the namespace to pin the services. There is a debug Busybox YAML file. We created the container based on the Busybox Docker image. Highlighted command keep the pod running after pod created. Debug busybox.yaml file is under the v10 folder. Run command kube control apply plus YAML file name to create the debug Busybox pod. Busybox is created. Go to Kubernetes Dashboard and open the Busybox pod. Go to pods. Busybox is created, so that is running. Clear to open it. Go to the box inside. Run env command to get out inject service information. And then try to access the React service. Access the React service successfully. Service no issues. As I mentioned before, the problem in the Ingress part. So check Minikube Ingress Addons. Minikube Ingress add-on is disabled, that issue. Let me enable it. Ingress enabled. Next, use wget command to access to Ingress URL. Two URLs work now. And then open the browser to test the React UI. Home page is able to render. Ingress issue fixed. Add a user to test the API layer. User was added. Troubleshooting demo completed. The troubleshooting steps fit my Minikube environment. You can, based on your production environment, write a troubleshooting document. Troubleshooting demo completed. All topics were done. In 2 videos, they will learn 3-tier application changing, and then show chart file change steps. Next, change the chart file to a simulated issues. Latest, run troubleshooting demo. Thanks you for your watching the video. I hope it was help, and it was. Do not forget to like it. If you want to be notified whenever new videos come out, then subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or something not clear in the video, please post them in comment section below, and I will try to answer. Thank you, and see you in the next video.